Hello everyone, this is Brijesh Goswami, Assistant Professor in Institute of Business Management, GLA University, Mathura. We at GLA University believe that excellence is focused on education, research and development in established and emerging professions. GLA is a private university which offers many programs at diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral levels. GLA University has been accredited by NEC with an A-grade certification. And we are also the 12th private university in the country to receive 12B status from UGC. The campus is spread across 110 acres of lush green surrounding comprises of academic blocks, hostel accommodation for students, state-of-the-art laboratories, central auditorium, cafeteria, playgrounds, dispensary, convenience stores, etc. Institute of Business Management is among the top management colleges in Uttar Pradesh with over 2,000 students studying in various programs. Institute of Business Management offers a wide range of programs at undergraduate level like BBA, BBA Family Business, BBA Honors, BCom Honors Global Accounting and BA Honors Economics. All the programs are offered under the CBCS pattern. Institute of Business Management is the 7th institution in India accredited by IACBE USA. IBM has ranked 2nd in Uttar Pradesh and 6th in India among all private B schools by Times B Survey 2020. The classrooms of IBM UG department are equipped with smart boards, projectors, speakers and are fully air conditioned, which help the students to have an hands-on approach towards professional education. The Central Library is the hub of information services in the university. It serves as a creative and innovative partner to support teaching, learning and research activities. In Central Library, we have 1.6 lakh books and subscription of large number of national and international journals and magazines. In the departmental library, we do have more than 20,000 books, which helps the students to enrich their research and learning experiences. Students also get the opportunities to utilize services like Telnet and can access various databases like Emerald, Scopus, Case Centers UK, etc. The department is also equipped with computer labs which helps students to get the practical exposure by using such softwares as SPSS, Tally and tools like MS Office, etc. For organizing different guest lectures and cultural events, we have conference halls in IBM UG department. Apart from this, we do have GD and interview rooms. So dear Management UG aspirants, come, join and experience the world-class infrastructure of GLA University Mathura and be the part of GLA legacy. Thank you.